Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to draw wooden X. The most important thing is first you have to put your baseline down on paper and the basic shape that you imagined that the X will look like. Just soft lines. Now that we have the baseline put down, we have the basic shape of the X. Now we'll have to go a little bit stronger with these lines. This is the blade of the X. This is just a simple X, nothing too complex, not too complicated. If you are new at drawing, this will mean you don't know much. It's a wooden handle of the X. Now you can do the blade of the X is a little worn, already torn, much used in battle or in wood. Okay, now you have the basic shapes. You take another pencil and make it much more readable, the outlines. This is a 2B pencil, graphite pencil. You have to be aware of the thicker lines and thinner the bases. You can go much thicker. Because this part of the drawing is much heavier than this upper part. You can take another softer pencil and make the shading right. This part of the blade can be a bit darker. Let's say maybe it's a red color. You can do some worn and torn. Scratches all over the X. And you can, let's say for example that our light is coming from this side. You can shade the handle of the X a bit more on the left side, our left side. And the X will look more nicer if you put more time and details into it. But for the sake of this video I will do some basic shading. You can do, for example, with a 2B pencil and go much more in details, like this for example. That's the basic rule. The more details you put in, the more nicer it will look. Cooler it will look cooler. And at the end, if you think that you've gone overboard with some of the lines in the beginning, you can take an eraser and just get rid of those excess scratch marks, lines. But it doesn't have to be too perfect. For a single ordinary X, wooden X, it looks just fine. So that's it. I hope you liked this video. We see you in the next time. Thank you for watching.